Ito ang mainit na balita na siyang dapat malaman ng taong bayan at ito ang usap-usapan sa mundo ng social media. I am a Filipino citizen challenging her to debate with me because I'm one of the people that she's serving. Yan ang hamon ng isang Mindanao-based political blogger na si Lovely Granada kay Vice President Sara Duterte sa isang pampublikong debate tungkol sa mahalagang isyu ng bansa tulad ng war on drugs, korupsyon sa politika at ang pamamahala sa Pilipinas. Si Lovely Granada ay nakilala online dahil sa kanyang kritisismo sa mga pro-Duterte. Ayon kay Lovely, handa siyang harapin si Sara Duterte sa isang debate para malaman ng taong bayan ang katotohanan. Agad naman itong pinalagan ng nag-iisang Eloy Bugris at sinupalpal si Lovely Granada. Ayon kay Eloy Bugris, ano ang karapatan mo para makapagdebate kay Bibi Sara? Abogado ka ba? Isa pagmumuka mo pa lang, hindi ka na mapagkakatiwalaan. Giit pa ni Eloy Bugris, tayong dalawa ang magdebate at sigurado sa akin pa lang, talo ka na. Narito at panuorin po natin ang full video ni Eloy Bugris.
So, do you have any intentions of contradicting that perception because you have your own candidate? Example lang to, na kalaban niya. You go out in the open against a fellow Mindanao.
Grabe, hindi niya maklose ang bakbal ko.
Not because, ayoko lang talaga siyang manalo or because, I just want to go against a fellow Mindanaoan. Kasi hindi ako naniniwala
Tingnan niyo lang mukha yan.
na dapat siya yung maging presidente eh. Kasi
Di ba gwapa?
nagwawala siya online. Tapos, when you hear her talk, she doesn't make sense.
Bago pa gwapa! Bilaksing ilay! She doesn't make sense si Sara! Tado mapatay man po, Lovely! Lovely! Grabe, strikta si Lovely! Gali, bilaksing ilay! Ha? She doesn't make sense! Sabi sa bilaksing iloy nga anak ni Babalo! Kag ni-report mo, grabe, strikta si Lovely! Lovely! Saan ka ba nag-graduate, Lovely? Ilan ba ang puno mga mo? Grado mo, Lovely! Bilaksing iloy cum laude! Ang grade mo! Saan ka nag-aral bilaksing iloy sa Harry Potter? Di ba? She doesn't make sense, sabi sa bilaksing iloy. Ang punggod mo, kahit lagyan mong bilaksing iloy sang Cebu, di macho? Kahit maglagay ka pa sa pinta nga sapat ka, hindi magbago pagkikipitos mo! Ang bisyoso ang bilaksing iloy saan ka nag-grade? UP Diliman, straight 1, maxima cum laude, was assigned to do astrophysics in Bilaksing Iloy Pentagon and NASA. She was sent to Argentina and Brazil to be a diplomat and attaché for the government. Lovely Babalupitos is the representative of the Philippines to the United Nations. Ay, si grabe si Lovely. Lovely, strikta si Lovely. Ay, grabe. Kailangan, guys, ang mga anak niyo, guys, paaralin niyo talaga sa kataas-kaasang paaralan ng Harvard University. Kasi underestimate ni Lovely. Si Lovely kasi bilaksing iloy, doon sa nag-aral sa paraiso ni Adam and Eve. Alam ni Lovely where the snow is kept. She memorized the astrophysics of the galaxy. She knows the heavenly bodies in the Milky Way. She discovered penicillin. She was the one who invented Facebook. She created Google.com. She is one of those people during the Sicaw in Balintawak who signed the Constitution of the Philippines. Because as of Sara Duterte being the Vice President of the Philippines, Lovely the Babalo, and the Punggudon Lovely the Bilaksing Iloy, ang iho di she is not contented, apparently, of the achievements and the accolades of our Vice President. So I must think that this woman graduated with flying colors. And not only local schools in the Philippines. Maybe she went to Montessori, or maybe she was in a Brent school. Is she a daughter of a Sheikha? Is she one of the lineage of Queen Elizabeth, maybe? Or maybe she was in Eton. Bilat sing Iloy, si Lovely ka, strict tayo, di ba? Ang kailangan sa atin, guys, i-memorize ugid ang table of elements. Memorize the table of the elements and memorize the Milky Way, and you should memorize the calculations of how the cumulus cloud and the precipitation and condensation of the earth before we could actually get rainfall. You should memorize how the Amazon River could protect the world. You should even memorize what is the importance of the Strait of Hormuz. You should also memorize gestational diabetes, and also you should memorize about how amoxicillin was created, because Lovely is a very strict fetus. Strict na si Lovely, guys. Oh my God. The nerve of the Babalu to question the educational attainment of a vice president and honorable vice president, a person who was a mayor, a woman who took up 2 degrees before becoming vice president of our country, and nobody who does not even know how to really put up an argument and does not even know how to support her arguments. Na bakit ayaw mo si Sarah? She doesn't make sense. She doesn't make sense. In what way? Bakit? You didn't understand you did not understand the languages she was using? Was she speaking in Mandarin? Was she using French?
Ano ang masasabi mo sa bidyong ito? Kung meron kang suggestion o suggestion, mag-comment lang sa baba. Maraming salamat po sa panunood.